Avoid fatigue and recover faster. Top 4 natural milks to boost your muscles and improve your sleep. You might be wondering, can milk really help you build stronger muscles and sleep better? Or is it just a common myth that doesn't really work? These questions come up all the time, and trust me, you're not alone. Milk and muscle recovery is one of the most interesting and sometimes confusing topics out there. Some people say milk is the perfect recovery drink. Others think it's only for kids or bodybuilders. And now, with so many plant-based milks available, it can feel overwhelming to choose the right one. Here's the truth. Not all milk is created equal, but choosing the right type at the right time can quietly supercharge your muscle repair and support deeper sleep. In this video, I'll break it down simply. I'll show you 4 natural milks that can help your muscles recover, improve strength, and support restful sleep, and which ones to favor if you want to get the most out of your workouts. Stick around, because the last one is something most people already have in their fridge, but they don't realize how powerful it really is for both muscles and sleep. 1. Warm cow milk. Warm cow milk has been a staple in human diets for centuries, and for good reason. Its composition is uniquely suited to supporting the body after physical exertion, particularly when it comes to muscle recovery and promoting restful sleep. At the core of its benefits are 2 types of proteins, whey and casein. Whey protein is fast digesting, meaning that as soon as you drink a glass, the amino acids enter your bloodstream and begin the process of repairing tiny micro tears in your muscle fibers caused by exercise. This immediate availability of protein helps reduce muscle soreness and kickstarts recovery right away. Casein, by contrast, digests slowly over several hours, providing a steady release of amino acids that continue to nourish muscles while you sleep. This slow, sustained release aligns beautifully with the body's natural repair cycles, feeding muscles when they are most receptive to rebuilding and growth. But milk does more than just supply protein. It contains tryptophan, an essential amino acid that supports the production of sleep, regulating neurotransmitters. Tryptophan's presence can help lower stress signals in the nervous system and gently guide the body into a deeper, more restorative sleep. When muscles are relaxed and the brain is calm, the body can devote its energy to repairing and strengthening tissue, consolidating the gains made during exercise, and replenishing energy stores for the next day. The combination of fast and slow proteins, along with compounds that promote relaxation, makes warm cow milk uniquely effective. Drinking it before bed is a simple habit that supports multiple aspects of physical health, quietly reinforcing the natural rhythms of recovery, repair, and growth, without requiring complicated supplements or routines. Its effects are subtle but cumulative, allowing the body to rebuild strength while preparing for the challenges of the next day. 2. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk is often underestimated as a post-workout drink, but it holds a remarkable balance of nutrients that support muscle recovery and relaxation. What makes it special is the combination of protein and carbohydrates, which work together to restore the body after intense exercise. Protein repairs micro tears in muscle fibers, while carbohydrates replenish glycogen, the stored energy that powers every movement. After a challenging workout, muscles are depleted and energy stores are low, making this combination particularly effective. The natural sugars in chocolate milk are absorbed quickly, providing fuel for the body while also triggering hormonal responses that support recovery. Insulin, for example, helps shuttle nutrients into muscle cells, maximizing repair and growth. Beyond its role in physical recovery, chocolate milk can also influence the body's readiness for rest. By helping the muscles recover and providing gentle energy replenishment, it reduces the physiological stress that often lingers after intense exercise. This stress, if unchecked, can interfere with the body's natural sleep patterns. Drinking chocolate milk can help shift the body from a state of exertion into one of calm, supporting relaxation and helping you fall asleep more easily. Additionally, it contains small amounts of calcium, magnesium, and other minerals that contribute to muscle function and overall metabolic balance. For many people, chocolate milk is a practical, accessible option that does not require complicated supplements or powders. Its taste makes it enjoyable, increasing the likelihood that you will consume it consistently, which is key for long-term muscle support. Timing matters, and consuming chocolate milk within an hour after exercise can provide optimal benefits, allowing the body to begin repair immediately. In this way, it works quietly, yet effectively, combining the science of nutrition with the natural rhythms of the body's recovery processes, helping muscles rebuild while preparing the body for deep, restorative sleep. 3. Almond milk. Almond milk is a gentle, plant-based option that supports both muscle relaxation and sleep quality, making it a popular choice for people seeking a lighter alternative to dairy. One of its key advantages lies in its mineral content, particularly magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle function, helping fibers relax after contraction and supporting the body's natural repair processes. When muscles are calm, blood flow improves, delivering nutrients more efficiently and reducing the soreness that can follow a tough workout. This makes almond milk especially helpful when consumed before bed, as it supports recovery while also easing the transition into restorative sleep. Almond milk is naturally low in protein compared to cow's milk or soy milk, which can be beneficial for those who prefer a lighter intake before bedtime or are following a lower protein diet. Its low potassium and phosphorus levels make it easier for the body to process, meaning the kidneys are not overloaded while muscles recover. Many commercial almond milks are fortified with calcium and vitamin D, which contribute to bone health and indirectly support muscle strength by maintaining proper skeletal support for muscle attachment and movement. However, it is important to choose unsweetened versions without added phosphorus or excessive calcium, as these additives can reduce kidney safety and affect overall mineral balance. Beyond minerals, almond milk contains compounds that naturally promote calmness in the nervous system. By reducing subtle tension in muscles and the body overall, it helps the mind and body transition from the stimulation of exercise to a state of rest. This creates an ideal environment for growth and repair, as the body can focus its energy on rebuilding tissues rather than managing stress. Almond milk is also versatile and easy to integrate into daily routines. It can be consumed alone, mixed into smoothies, or added to oatmeal, providing a simple way to support recovery consistently over time. Its gentle, relaxing properties make it not just a drink, but a small ritual that enhances both muscular and neurological restoration. 4. Soy milk. Soy milk is a plant-based powerhouse for muscle recovery, offering high-quality protein and essential amino acids that are crucial for repairing and strengthening muscle fibers. Unlike many other plant milks, soy provides a nearly complete protein profile, similar to that of cow's milk, which makes it especially effective for people looking to build strength or maintain lean muscle mass. The amino acids in soy protein are rapidly utilized by the body to repair tiny tears in muscle tissue caused by exercise, helping reduce soreness and improve functional recovery. This makes soy milk an excellent choice for both pre-sleep nutrition and post-workout replenishment. In addition to protein, soy milk is low in fat and gentle on digestion, which allows the body to absorb nutrients efficiently without causing discomfort before bedtime. Its amino acid content not only supports muscle repair, but also aids in the production of neurotransmitters that regulate sleep. This dual effect, muscle restoration and neurological support, helps the body align physical recovery with deep restorative rest. Some soy milk products are fortified with vitamins and minerals such as calcium, vitamin D, and B vitamins, which enhance metabolic function, bone strength, and overall energy balance, indirectly contributing to better muscular performance. Another advantage of soy milk is its low oxalate content, which is important for those who are cautious about kidney and urinary health. By being both nutrient-dense and easy to digest, soy milk can be consumed consistently without overloading the body, making it a practical addition to daily routines. Whether used in a smoothie, combined with oats, or simply enjoyed on its own, soy milk provides a balanced, plant-based solution for supporting the body's natural recovery cycles. Its combination of complete protein, digestibility, and sleep-promoting properties makes it one of the most effective natural options for enhancing muscle repair and preparing the body for deep, restorative sleep.